Meaning of gas-permeable.
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 Gas-permeable. The term gas-permeable refers to the ability of a material or object to allow gas molecules to pass through it, while still maintaining its physical structure. This property is commonly found in materials used for contact lenses and other medical devices. Gas-permeable contact lenses are made from a rigid material that allows oxygen to flow through to the eye, promoting healthy eye function. This type of lens tends to be more durable than soft lenses, and its rigidity helps to maintain stable vision. Additionally, gas-permeable lenses can be useful for patients with certain eye conditions such as keratoconus or high astigmatism.